Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert your Jeep Grand Cherokee to rear-wheel drive. This process involves carefully modifying your vehicle's drivetrain. We will cover the essential steps to transform a four-wheel drive system into a two-wheel drive setup, specifically powering only the rear wheels. This guide aims to simplify the conversion, making it accessible for those looking to achieve a rear-wheel drive configuration for their Grand Cherokee. Before beginning, it is crucial to understand your Jeep's drivetrain. The front drive shaft is a key component, transmitting power from the transfer case to the front differential. The front differential then sends power to the front wheels. For this conversion, these front-end components will be removed. The transfer case, which typically manages power distribution to all four wheels, will now only send power to the rear axle. The conversion process begins by safely lifting your vehicle and securing it on sturdy jack stands. Next, you will unbolt the front drive shaft from both the transfer case and the front differential. Once detached, carefully remove the entire front drive shaft. Following this, unbolt and remove the front differential assembly. Remember to also remove the front axle shafts, as they will no longer be needed for a rear-wheel drive setup. Converting to rear-wheel drive can offer several benefits, including potentially improved fuel economy due to less rotational mass and reduced drivetrain drag. You will also experience a distinct change in driving dynamics, characteristic of rear-wheel drive vehicles. It is vital to properly seal any openings left by the removed components to prevent fluid leaks. Always prioritize safety, and consider consulting a qualified mechanic if you have any doubts during the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.